Hi friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some amazing products to share with you today. The first one is so exciting. It coordinates with our club set, the birdhouses to stamp, and I know you've been waiting for it because you saw me in the other video do it, and you're like, I need that one, I need that one, I need that one. It is the die set that says, "You're so tweet," because hello, it goes perfect with our little birdies. So it's a die set, just says "You're so tweet," and that is awesome. Now we also have a stamp set that coordinates with that club set, and this one is called Little Birdies to Share, because this little, first of all, that little birdie there, the die set is in our club die set, so that's the die that I gave you in that one. But look at all these fun words and sayings this one comes with. So it says, "A little birdie told me," and then it has all these options. So it says, "A little birdie told me it's your birthday," or "It's your anniversary," or "It's your big day," or "A little birdie told me you are expecting, you are retiring, you are getting married, you are graduating, you are, well, okay, you are no more." And then you could say, "A little birdie told me," you could say "best wishes" or "woohoo." Now these three, woohoo, best wishes, and congratulations, to me would go on the inside. So you would say, "A little birdie told me you are expecting, congratulations." Or "A little birdie told me you are getting married, best wishes," or "woohoo," depending on woohoo, right? Or you could do "congratulations" and "woohoo," whatever you want. But it's one that you are going to use these words all the time, right? Because you are expecting, it's your birthday, you know, over and over and over, different things. Now, I also have this die right here, baby. This die is, look at this. I want to cover it because I don't want you to see what it's going to say. Right here at the bottom, it says, "The die you have to have." And I put it in quotes because that is one of the things, if you've ever taken a class from me, that is one of the things I always say. I say, the die you have to have. Why do you have to have this one? Because it makes the perfect A2 sized card. What? Okay. How many times have you taken a piece of cardstock and it's perfectly cut? You have taken it to your trimmer and you've cut it in half perfectly. Then you've taken it to your scoring tool and you've scored it in half perfectly to make the perfect A2 size card. You folded it together and the corners did not line up. It's a conspiracy, I tell ya. I do not know why that happens every single time. Well, the most boring die in this kit is the perfect A2 size card base. Look at that. Boom. This makes the perfect A2 size card base. In fact, it's the die you have to have because it's the most important die in the world. But it comes with other fun things. Let me show you. It comes with this gorgeous flower vine, which I love. It comes with extra flowers to mix and match in there. And it also comes with this awesome grid die. Now, I have lots of fun samples to share with you. Let me share those with you first. So there's an example of the background. Now, all of these cards were cut with the, look, boom, perfect A2 size card base. Look at that. But we have that gorgeous vine. Here's that gorgeous vine again. And again, whoops, that little one lost a little piece. Again, and let's find some more. Again, look at all the different colors, the different color combinations. Ooh, what if you wanted to make a wedding card? Look at that. Look at that. And, oh, here's another one. Look at that. I know, I have so many I can't even hold them all. And let's look at this one. All of these ideas, okay? Now, they're all on the website if I go too fast on all of these. But are those gorgeous or what, right? Now, let's look at the grid. Don't forget there's also a grid in there. So there's the background of the grid. Here, if you want to see the grid up close, really, there's the grid and there's the grid. It does also cut out the blocks as well. So you're going to mix and match those blocks. Look at this one. Here's a T1. Talk about versatile, right? You are going to use this one over and over and over again. Now, when you die cut that grid that's in there, when you die cut that grid and you don't use those extra pieces that pop in, store those extra pieces in with your die. That way you have them when you're ready to use them. Here's another one using the flower background and some of the grid. Now don't forget, all of these were die cut. The card bases were all die cut using that A2 size card, the one you have to have. Now, let's look at some of the birdie ones. The birdie ones are so fun. Here's one, a little birdie told me, I think I know the answer, that you are expecting. Now, I think this should be in blue because my twin boys are gonna be blue, my twin boys need blue. I don't know. Okay, here's a fun one, a pocket slider, look at that. A little birdie told me it's your birthday, woohoo. Here's another one, a little birdie told me you are expecting. Ooh, look at this one, woohoo, getting married. I love that, congratulations. Here's another fun one. A little birdie told me you are retiring, woohoo. Oh, and look at this cute mug. A little birdie told me it's your birthday. Now, club members, of course you're getting the club discount on these products. If you're not in the club, you have to join because you are missing out so much. You're even missing out on the new club points. We have new benefits for our club members called Club Points. Go check out the website. It's amazing. You do not want to miss out. And club members, yes, you get the club discount, so go check it out. And if I went too fast on any of these, never fear. We have a gallery on our website that's all new as well. There's over 25,000 ideas all organized. You type in what you're looking for and you can go see it. It's fantastic. And the nice thing is the pictures are now larger on our gallery, so you can really see it. And you get to upload your creations as well, so go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.